Insta360 Ace Pro 2, recording at 1440p resolution, 24 FPS, 4:3 aspect ratio, normal video mode, and auto settings lang, active HDR on. Here's the quality. Hi guys, I'm now currently filming on this Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I'm using the 440p, 24 FPS, and I'm using the normal video mode, active HDR turned on, auto settings. So gabi na ngayon, pero yeah, this is the quality of this camera. Naka voice enhancement tayo for the audio.
Silence lang. Ah, okay.